styling has matured strikingly well on the 2018 Dodge Charger. With a hippie body ideal out of the 60s, and without the whiff of patchouli, the 2018 Dodge Charger wears a shape that could just originate from an American fever dream. It's all Coke bottle and enormous haggles erotic nature, and that is the reason we cherish it still. We believe it's as yet justified regardless of a 7 for styling, however its high school dream makes no guarantees on development. Last contacted up in the 2015 model year, the Charger has a more svelte look than it completed 14 display years back when it was new for 2005. The extreme front end gives it a littler look, or possibly that it's only the Focus swollen seam, where Accords and Passats qualify as expansive autos now. In profile, the Charger has swollen bumpers, a high beltline, a wasp-waisted assemble in the center, and thick and articulated rooftop columns. From the back, a ring of LED taillights top a smoother, less bulbous view. Diverse Charger models get their own particular enumerating, with outrageous scoops at the SRT level. We like the adjust struck by the RT's generally unpretentious itemizing, if any muscle auto could be remotely viewed as subtle. Among the few changes for 2018 go ahead the SRT Hellcat, it gets new identifications, new steel wheels, discretionary orange brake calipers, and evil red Laguna seating. In the Lodge, the Charger offers an amicable look that fits with the most recent FCA perspective. The surfaces are quietly cut, the delicate touch materials are dull and essential yet encircled in thin matte metallic trim. A 7.0-inch show screen tucks into the instrument group, while everything except base autos have a major 8.4-inch touchscreen incorporated into the dash. Inside, as ever, you pay for this current model's somewhat high window line with restricted outward perceivability contrasted with some other enormous cars. The upright bundling yields a lot of headroom all around, and wide, forcefully reinforced front seats that are firmly race-propelled.